Hi everyone, I am Dr. A. Sedupati, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. I welcome you all in my video lecture series. Today we are going to see about what is pattern and what are the types of patterns we are using in molding in foundry process. So the pattern is the masterpiece of the which we go to manufacturing the part. The part is first we make a pattern. So the pattern is uh, a metal piece that is manufacturing by what is the size and shape of the part or product we are going to manufacture. So the product is first manufactured by pattern materials. So in pattern is the, for example, we are going to make a photo set copy. The original copy we fix inside the Xerox machine after we getting copies. So the original document we are using in the Xerox photoset copies, that is called pattern. So the pattern is the master piece of the part or product. So the size of the pattern is comparatively larger in the actual size of the part. The pattern will be manufactured through making a design by design softwares and the materials like aluminum or plastic, wood, these type of materials we are using to making the patterns. So pattern is first fixing inside the sand, fixing inside the molding box and fill the sand and rammed and squeezed the sand. After we tilting the molding box, remove the pattern. We are getting what is the impression in the pattern, same impression in the molding box in sand area. So this is called mold. So the pattern is using for making the impressions in the sands. So the pattern is different types. First one is solid pattern. So this is a single piece pattern. The product we are going to manufacturing, the part is like a single piece for showing in the PPT screen. So these type of patterns are called single piece or solid pattern. So the pattern is only single part, no split ups. So this is called the solid pattern. We are making a small solid components by using these solid type patterns. The next one is split pattern. So this is two pieces of pattern we are using to manufacturing to making the molds. One is upper half and another one is lower half. Generally, we are using molding boxes, two boxes. One is scope, that is top side box. Another one is drag, bottom side box. First, we are making a drag box by using a lower half of the pattern. After removing the pattern, we are getting the impression. Then another piece of pattern we are fixing in the same bottom side pattern and covered by the cope box and covered the sands making the mold. So these two split up part of the pattern is called split pattern. Another one is match plate pattern. So this is the same pattern board we are fixing two different type of component patterns. Two or three or four something more than two. This is called match plate pattern. So this match plate pattern we are using for large size of molds and the same time we are getting different type of pots. For example, the product is having four type of pots. We assembled in the four pots. So we are making same time that four pots in the molding. So that will be fixed four type of patterns in the same plate, that is called match plate pattern. Another one is loose piece pattern. So that is called a part is dismantled by several pieces. So the each pieces is making small patterns and fixing in the molding box, making the gas pattern molds. That is called a loose patterns. Loose pattern is we are using several different type of small size patterns in the same molding box. That is called loose patterns. The another one is core box in critical areas or hole making or small curvature areas. These type of areas we are not converted the pattern, so we are using cores. Core is nothing but sand, solid sand. The core is also making with the core box. Core box is one of the molding box, like a molding box. We fixing inside the sand and using getting the cores. The another one is sweep pattern for like a two-wheeler rims, automobile rims. These type of components are manufacturing in the sweep type pattern we are using for molds. The 360-degree rotating arm and centrally fixed the pivot point. So we are making a molds in the mold boxes. So this type of pattern is called the sweep pattern. So most of the rims, automobile discs and circular objects are more than the diameter 200 mm, 300 mm. These type of parts are manufacturing by using sweep patterns. So mostly these type of patterns are using for making the molds in the foundry process. I hope all of you understand what is pattern and what are the types of patterns. Thank you.